First of all, the EPAC TV News welcomes everyone.
Manipur Lengaki Directorate of Environment and the Climate Change Meeting Makada, Lilong H.C College Environmental Club, NCC and the NSS Unit, IQAC College Sinduna, Single-Use Plastic Matanga, Awareness Drive Ama College Asiki Campus the Lilong Pangthokhre. Hiramasi Matanga Lilong H.C College Principal Professor M.D.A. Satar Sana Hai. Plastic problem jing season of the Yamna Pate Kanglabasu, season of the Tokri. Masi Yamna Labak Tibani, Maliam Oin Sahi Amata plastic problem million ton lishing home lomna, Maliam si the Makal Makakayagi pollution to Kanduna, Mui but the Tongan Tongambalena Makalkaya Nali. Plastic sing a sea Labak the Pumsin Klabasu Sahi Sahum Hena, Tumbangmande. Masita Natana, Labak Leokaya Sumanghalli. Maramasina Manipulenga asina plastic thing never gi lokhlakli ba khongthang sing asida aikoi khudimuk tangai phatna support to mathoktai loinana Manipur plastic policy 2022 asisu yamna phajan implement tawna ba khot aminsi haibu wafamsu Lilong H.C College gi principal Professor M.D.A. Satar Sana phongdokhe
Manipur government na single-use plastic sizinaba thingnaba sangchilapa khongthang gi saruka moina Lilong H.C College gi Environment Club, NSS Unit, NCC amdi IQAC na Department of Environment and Climate Change Porompata leibaga loinana college gi campus asida single-use plastic sizinaba thingnaba amdi masigi mahutta biodegradable items sizinaba drive assess chathabani single-use plastic asina akoibagi khal amadi ikoi mioi bida jam chauna mangata thogali haibasi khangna ngasigi chawkhalaba modern world asida plastic asi jamna pamna amletna scenery plastic asi leibak ta phumjindana thamma matamda sahi chahum tumbangamdana lei amasung masina leibak lehawsu akaiba thogali amadi masi mai thadana manghangi harbasu Madagi Torako Maikuna, Cancer Singba, Sati Balanaka, Tohanduna, Ikomi Bida Mangata, Zamna Togali, Amadi, Zorana, Zahimda, Pitibida Putoliba, 3,000 million tons plastic pots in Pitibi Lemaida, Kampaldam, Disamudrada, Pollution Togali, Abidi Kampanda Sinariba, plastic singsi, Today the Tara Matunda Samudra, Sankidana, and the part of Sankidana. Samudram di patasu pollution thogali amadi masina global climate change su thogali aduna hoje Manipur sarkar na local liba plastic sinaba thingbagi khongthang ji matam chai amadi masi koina thinghona bo hona gadabani amadi mumbai koi punamakna satra satri amadi oja amadi punamakna plastic sinabagi amang se punna khangmina dala ngasi haiba nomesidagi Aikoigi college campus ta amadi zum da halagasu laikai da zum da plastic sinabasi thinglasi loinana Manipur plastic policy 2022 ji phajana implement tawna bokhanarasi.
The EPAC group of news was set up on 7th July 2017 as a news networking body. Now it completes 7 years in service. Under the aegis of EPAC group of news, one news networking YouTube channel and Facebook page called EPAC TV News has been set up in the year 2021. It is providing news throughout the world day and night. Saidur Maibam is the managing director cum editor of the EPAC TV News. He is young and talented journalist of Manipur. Under his guidance, news updates are being disseminated all over the world. Both YouTube channel and Facebook page of the EPAC TV News becomes a successful news channel. It is due the full cooperation of the people. The news channel seeks support of the people. People may subscribe, like, share, and follow it, so that it can serve the people further. The EPAC TV News. Once again, thanks the supporters.